This is a pretty interesting unit here. It's called the Hampton by Crossroads RV. And model number here is the HP 404DP. The reason why this is interesting is it's like, you said what, 2 apartments basically?
Yeah, so you go in the middle, you choose either door. They're both the same layout. They both have the same thing, a full bathroom, shower, and completely separated. So it looks like 2 different apartments. So we can live in one and you can rent the other one, somebody else live in it, or to dad to live on it. So
nice. Look at all the storage right here at the entrance.
I think it's like a half house, like one family, another family.
Storage. Oh, storage? Oh, thank you very much. Oh. Wow. It's a neat setup, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So, as soon as you come in, you're greeted with one of these new sci-fi sinks. Look at that. I want one of these in our RV.
Okay, so this is not handicap accessible.
Okay.
All bedrooms are upstairs.
Ooh.
Okay, so this is like a side-by-side, so that's an apartment, this is an apartment.
It's kind of like having 2 apartments on the road, yeah.
Yeah, which is pretty cool, but it's not handicap accessible.
That's the only downside that I see, but it's a beautiful layout. I love this window.
Shower is too small to be able to work with. Okay, so anybody big wouldn't be able to fit through it.
By the way, hi.
Hi,
My name's Steve.
I'm Bonnie.
Nice to meet you, Bonnie. We're getting a private tour here by Bonnie. Thank you very much. Yeah, I agree with her though. The biggest problem I see in here is that it's not handicap accessible. But other than that, it is a really nice setup.
It is. If you have a couple small families,
Yeah.
it would be awesome. Or teenagers on one side and the adults on the other.
That's it right there. I like that. Let's go up and take a look at the bedroom.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Bonnie. So, and that's your bedroom. That's, yeah, I don't know. That'd be the only downfall. I'd probably wake up and hit my head on the roof in the morning every time. But you know what this would be great for is some kind of temporary living quarters or an office somewhere. Look at the windows. Great lights in. Really tall. Look at the entertainment center here with it. Plenty of storage. And so the bed's right above us right now, which means it looks like the bed's shield off. There's storage down there too. So regular house doors and screens right on each one of the foyers. That's pretty nice. I like those sinks. I want to get one in our RV. Bye. Looks like a regular oven, 3-burner stove by Greystone. Fury on it is really making an impression at the show this year. They're in a lot of units, including Brinkley, which surprised me. Connex TV, fireplace, ceiling fan. I love the view of the windows. The storage is great up there. I just need a ladder. So same setup as the other side, basically. Same size shower and bathroom. Foyer's different. I like it. I kind of want to see this on other RVs without it being split. I wouldn't mind having like a mud room that we could actually come in, take our shoes off, clean the kids with. It's a big RV though. Let's go around the outside real quick. Looks like 40-pound propane tanks. Nice looking front to it there. So 2 slide outs here. Oh, 2 separate hot water heaters. That's kind of interesting. I was wondering if both units would share the hot water heater and the Suburban hot water heater, but they look like Insta-Hots. Your water hookups here. I wonder if that's meant to be like a outside watering. It's like spray down your driveway or hose kind of hookup. And then these look like the inlets for the water. And there's a water tank. There's 2. Whew. I'm gonna have to see if I can find out what the specs are on this, what the holding tanks are. And just like every trailer, it's got holding tanks below with a gray water and black water out. That's pretty nifty. Good fan for the kitchen. Interesting, told you. They're really changing things up this year.